Getting a little bit of a late start. Today, inspiration kind of came from weird places. We were looking for a way to create an affiliate link for the career cards, and as we're looking through the tools that we'll be able to use to do that, we realized there's a lot of potential for affiliate links and affiliate marketing, and it'd be a really good way for us to kind of accelerate the growth of the business. And it just wasn't something we were considering before, and so sometimes it's, a lot of times there's tools that, there's that expression, it's a hammer looking for a nail. Well, sometimes you don't realize there's nails around you until you see a hammer, and that was kind of the case today. And you just got to be paying attention to that, I guess. So we're going to probably look into some more kind of affiliate type of structure for the career cards, and then also learn Psalm 1 and some of the other things too, as a way to help promote and grow the businesses. Inspiration comes from a lot of places. All right, see you tomorrow.